In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track an Alibaba order. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the world of e-commerce, knowing how to track your order is crucial. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open the Alibaba website or app. This is your starting point for accessing all the features Alibaba offers. Depending on your preference, you can use a web browser on your computer or the app on your smartphone. The interface is user-friendly on both platforms, so choose what feels most comfortable for you. Now, once you have Alibaba open, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, which include your email and password. Signing in is essential because it allows you to access your personal order information. This step ensures that your data is secure and accessible only to you. After signing in, you'll want to navigate to My Alibaba. This is the hub for managing your purchases and account settings. On the website, you will find it in the menu bar, typically at the top of the page. In the app, tap the menu icon to locate it. My Alibaba is where you can track your orders and much more. From there, click on Orders or My Orders. This section is specifically designed to organize and display all your transactions. It's like your personal shopping history, neatly compiled in one place. This is important because it helps you keep track of everything you have purchased and their current statuses. Next up, you need to select the order you want to track. Browse through the list of your recent orders. Take your time to find the specific order you're interested in. By clicking on it, you will access all the details related to that purchase. This step saves you a lot of time later when you need to find specific information about your order. Once you've selected the order, click on Order Details. This will open a new page or section, providing you with in-depth information about your purchase. Here, you will find everything from the product specifications to the seller's contact details. It's a comprehensive view that ensures you are fully informed about your transaction. At this point, you will want to view the order status. The order status provides real-time information on where your package is in the shipping process. It could be processing, shipped, or delivered. Knowing the status gives you an idea of when to expect your order. This is important because it helps you plan and prepare for the arrival of your package. Finally, check the shipping updates. This section will provide you with the most current details about the shipment of your order. Shipping updates include tracking numbers and estimated delivery dates. This makes sure you are always in the loop and can monitor your package's journey. Seeing these updates reassures you that your order is on its way. There you have it, a simple guide on tracking your Alibaba order. By following these steps, you can easily monitor your purchases and stay informed. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!